Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Time with Stella. So today I'm going to show us how to prepare banana wine. Okay, banana wine is just like palm wine, but it's made from another sauce, which is banana. So follow me as we make our banana wine. First of all, I'm going to wash my hands. Time was Stella, feel the ease. Life's a flow like summer breeze. Traveling dreams and wealth so fine, making moments feel divine. Journey stops and exercises keep us strong. Come along and sing this song. In the calm of every night, stars rest and feel so balancing life's highs and lows, like a river smoothly flows. Time will still feel the ease. Life's a flow like summer breeze. Traveling dreams and wealth so fine, making moments feel divine. Journey starts in places new, inspire hearts with what we do. Exercises keep us strong. Come along and sing this song. In the calm of every night, Stella's wisdom feels so right. Balancing life's highs and lows, like a river smoothly flows. From the sunrise to the dusk, fulfillment in tasks we trust. Learning while we witness feel. Stella's guides are always near. Time will Stella, feel the ease. Life's a flow like summer breeze. Traveling dreams and wealth so fine, making moments feel divine. Journey starts in places new, inspire hearts with what we do. Exercises keep us strong. Come along and sing this song. In the calm of every night, Stella's wisdom feels so bright. Balancing life's highs and lows, like a river smoothly flows. Time will Stella, feel the ease. Life's a flow like summer breeze. Traveling dreams and wealth so fine, making moments feel divine. Journey starts in places new, inspire hearts with what we do. Exercises keep us strong. Come along and sing. So you keep it under room temperature for 3 days for it to ferment. So we'll come back after 3 days to continue our processing of our banana. Welcome back guys. So this is after day 3. I'm going to sieve it so that we can get the finished product. Okay? Time was still alive.
Life's a flow like summer breeze, traveling dreams and wealth so fine, making moments feel divine. Journey starts in places new, inspire hearts with what we do. Exercises keep us strong. Come along and sing this song. In the calm of every night, Stella's wisdom feels so right. Balancing life's highs and lows, like a river smoothly flows. Time with Stella, feel the ease. Life's a flow like summer breeze, traveling dreams and wealth so fine, making moments feel divine. Journey starts
Great,
in
guys.
places
The aroma that is emanating from this is wild.
what we do.
So guys, let's continue.
Exercises
So the
keep
next thing to
us
do,
strong.
let's
Come
wash
along
it.
and sing this song. In the calm of every night, Stella's
So I'm going
wisdom
to
feels so
remove
right.
it.
Balancing life's highs and lows, like a river smoothly flows. From the sunrise to the dusk, fulfillment in tasks we trust. Learning while we roam this field, Stella's guides are always near. Time with Stella, feel the ease. Life's a flow like summer breeze, traveling dreams and wealth so fine, making moments feel divine. Journey starts in places new, inspire hearts with what we do. Exercises keep us strong. Come along and sing this song. In the calm of every night, Stella's wisdom feels so right. Balancing life's highs and lows, like a river smoothly flows. Time with Stella, feel the ease. Life's a flow like summer breeze, traveling dreams and wealth so fine, making moments feel divine. Journey starts in places new, inspire hearts with what we do. Exercises keep us strong. Come along and sing this song. In the calm of every night, Stella's wisdom feels so right. Balancing life's highs and lows, like a river smoothly flows. From the sunrise to the dusk.
So guys, our banana wine is ready for drinking. Let me have a sip of it and know how it tastes.
Stella's guides are always near.
This is a real deal. If you have not been drinking banana wine, you need to have a taste of this. You need to have a taste of this banana wine. In fact, I think you are going to stop drinking any other kind of wine. Have a taste of it.
Traveling dreams and wealth so fine, making